Hey there, food lovers! Welcome to the ultimate destination for all things waffle. Ready to dive into the art of waffle making? Whether you're a morning person or a night owl, waffles are the perfect choice. Belgian waffles are where it's at. These aren't just any waffles, they're the epitome of breakfast perfection. They're light, crispy, and totally customizable. You can make them exactly how you like them. Top them with fresh fruit like juicy berries or sliced bananas, a dollop of whipped cream for that extra touch of indulgence, or a drizzle of syrup. The possibilities are endless. You can even add nuts, chocolate chips, or whatever your heart desires. Let's get started. With a few simple steps, you'll be a waffle-making pro in no time. It's easier than you think. This recipe is perfect for beginners and fun for the whole family. Get everyone involved and make it a memorable experience. Get ready to dive into the world of Belgian waffles with us. Before we jump in, let's gather our ingredients. You probably already have most of these staples in your pantry. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups buttermilk, and half a cup melted unsalted butter, plus extra for greasing the waffle iron. See? Simple ingredients for a truly delicious outcome. First things first, grab a large bowl and whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. This is our dry ingredient mix, the foundation of our waffle creation. Make sure everything is nicely combined, no lumps allowed. This ensures that the waffles will rise beautifully and have a light, fluffy texture. Section 4. Whisking the wet ingredients. Liquid gold. Now for the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, buttermilk, and melted butter until well combined. This mixture adds richness and moisture to our waffles. The buttermilk is our secret weapon here. It adds a subtle tanginess and helps create those irresistible crispy edges. Section 5. Combining the batter gentle does it. Here's the key to perfectly textured waffles. Don't overmix. Gently pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. A few lumps are totally okay, they'll bake right out. Overmixing creates tough, rubbery waffles. We want them light, airy, and delicious, so remember, gentle and slow. Section 6. Waffle iron showtime. Golden and crisp. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple batter into a breakfast delight. Now for the fun part. It's time to bring out your inner chef and create something truly special. Heat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure it's properly preheated to ensure even cooking. Once it's nice and hot, brush it lightly with melted butter. This step is crucial as it prevents sticking and adds a delicious, rich flavor to your waffles. Watch the butter melt and sizzle, creating a perfect non-stick surface. Pour the batter onto the hot iron using about half a cup per waffle. Be careful not to overfill, as the batter will expand as it cooks. Close the lid and cook until golden brown and crispy, about 3 to 5 minutes. The steam escaping is a good sign that your waffles are cooking perfectly. Keep an eye on the color. You want them perfectly golden. A little patience goes a long way to achieve that ideal crispiness and color. Section 7. Serving your masterpiece. Tips and tricks. Ta-da! You did it! You've made it to the final step, and now it's time to serve your delicious creation. Transfer the cooked waffles to a wire rack to keep them crispy. This step is crucial because it prevents the waffles from becoming soggy by allowing air to circulate around them. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings. The sooner you serve them, the better they will taste. Fresh fruit, whipped cream, chocolate chips, nuts, go wild. The possibilities are endless. Want extra crispy waffles? Here's a pro tip. Place the cooked waffles on a baking sheet in a preheated 200-degree Fahrenheit oven while you cook the rest of the batch. This keeps them warm and ensures they stay crispy until you're ready to serve. This keeps them warm and extra crisp. Enjoy your waffle masterpiece. There's nothing quite like biting into a perfectly crispy waffle, and these tips will help you achieve that every time. And hey, don't forget to share your creations with me on social media. I love seeing how you put your own spin on my recipes. Tag me at Rachel Ray. I can't wait to see what you whip up. Your creativity inspires me, and I look forward to seeing your delicious masterpieces.